Enzo, you the ball, oh.
Now today, the only Man City feel I fit no control for this league, but them go still feel me.
Bolaji, Premier League go hear am. I wan use this opportunity to say my farewell for this club.
Carry your farewell, come off for here.
You the vex say I wan japa leave you? No be you and Kante dey advise us make we japa ne?
That Real Madrid where you go, ba, na strong bench you go dey chop. Make Courtois just recover first.
Jello say jollof rice. I no know say you dey like this, so something where you supposed to dey happy for me.
Carry your wahala, come off for here, Joe.
No problem. Make we no jump for Champions League, oh, because una no go see one goal score. Oh, I don't forget say una no dey Champions League sef. Una sorry, oh. Yeah, I don japa.
Omo, new season don show. Remember say na 1xbet be the better platform wey go run am for you if you wan bet on top your favorite team. That is after you don register with our promo code GNEXT. And you know na 300% bonus wey fit reach 189,000 naira you go get immediately you deposit your first betting money. No be only matches wey dem go soon play you fit bet. You fit even bet on top who go win the tournament now. If you bet on top plenty matches, you go activate the no risk offer, wey mean say dem go give you back your money if you lose. For 1xbet, you go see plenty offer where you fit win better prizes or even cash when you participate. Don't forget to read their terms and conditions so, and always remember to bet with sense. Thank you. Oga Morin and Oga Sari, good day, sirs. Now welcome back to the Premium League show.
Thank you, my brother. See as you don fresh small.
Thank you, sir.
Kobala, I don miss you. How your holiday now?
Very fine, sir.
Shey you practice how to ask good questions? Because since why I don't know you, you never improve that aspect of your life.
I did try my best, sir.
Well, no problem. I go find out very soon.
Although Premier League don't start, I go like first touch on the transfers wey sup and the ones wey dey sup. Messi don go MLS. Oga Mourinho, wetin be your take on this one?
I believe say Messi don complete football. Nothing remain for am to achieve again. He go MLS to go lecture Americans about football.
Messi don turn lecturer?
I talk am, say this boy never sabi ask questions.
Answer that boy, Joe.
Wetin Americans dey play na soccer. Dem no sabi play football. So the deal between Messi and MLS na to teach them proper football instead of the nonsense soccer wey dem dey play.
But football and soccer na the same thing na.
God will have mercy upon us. You dey on colors, no be the same thing.
Molinho, calm down.
Messi na football grandmaster. Americans go host the next World Cup with their wayward brother and obedient sister.
Mexico and Canada respectively.
If them guys go far for that World Cup, them need to learn one or two things from the football grandmaster himself. So Messi dey MLS as a football professor. You know they see wetin they carry them do for that side?
Okay.
Come on, shut up there. They ask questions like pikin.
Sorry, sir. Oga sorry. Caicedo swear say na Chelsea in go. Talk to me about am.
I no know say Liverpool sabi take player like this, so something wey Chelsea don dey hustle. Na him dem wan follow back door collect. E no work, sha. Na only attempted lovely. Caicedo na fine player. Chelsea go enjoy am.
League don finally resume after the opening fixtures of the EPL. Oga sorry, wetin be your analysis?
First of all, City don start dey collect their weekly deals of tele points. Secondly, season never starts, Arsenal don dey lord. It's like dem no carry enough ammunition come play Nottingham. Number 3, Newcastle don pour Aston Villa hot oil. I wonder how much oil money remain. Number 4, anything wey Tottenham do this season, as Hurricane no dey, dem must fill am. As for Chelsea and Liverpool, it's like Enzo drink paracetamol come play that match. Nobody even mark Alistair because him no hold ball.
But that yellow card wey dem give am no make sense so. I no know wetin refs dey blow nowadays.
Miss Ward still dey do im pageantry.
That one na normal thing na. Even when he unveil in beautiful hair, he still miss. Unlike Haaland.
Dem no be mates na.